Benvenuti sul mio canale. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak some Italian today? Ti va di parlare un po' di italiano? Today you learn something that you can use straight away. In this video, you'll learn how to conjugate 8 very important and recurrent Italian verbs. You will also learn how to recognize where the stress the word is, so how to pronounce it correctly. You can apply what you see in this video to any other regular verb which has the same ending in the infinitive form. In this case, are. The verbs are cantare, to sing, ballare, to dance, studiare, to study, guardare, to look, lavorare, to work, cucinare, to cook, camminare, to walk, imparare, to learn. Let's get started. Iniziamo! They all follow the same pattern. Let's conjugate them together. Say it aloud. Canto, canti, canta, cantiamo, cantate, cantano. The order is always I, you, he, she, we, you plural, you guys, and they. How to recognize the word stress. In order to know how to pronounce verbs correctly in terms of word stress, take away the ending are from the infinitive and the stress is on the last vowel of the word. For example, cantare, the stress will be if you take away are on ca. And this is why the first 3 persons are canto, canti, canta. Then when it's about we and you guys persons, the stress changes because the word becomes longer, and when we have iamo is the ending, so it will be always on ya. Cantiamo, parliamo, guardiamo, camminiamo, always. And then you have the you guys, and it's always, since the word is still longer, the stress is on ate, guardate, camminate, cantate, and then it always comes back to one syllable before that. So what does it mean? Instead of cantiamo is cantano, camminiamo, camminano, balliamo, ballano. So remember the pattern. The first 3 persons of a verb normally have the stress at the beginning. Cantare, are away, canto, cammino, ballo, lavoro, and then you have canto, canti, canta, then the stress moves forward, cantiamo, cantate, and then goes always back, cantano. Let's see all the verbs and say it with me, like a song. Ballare, to dance, ballo, balli, balla, balliamo, ballate, ballano. Studiare, to study. Studio, studi, studia, studiamo, studiate, studiano. Guardare, to look. Guardo, guardi, guarda, guardiamo, guardate, guardano. Lavorare, to work. Lavoro, lavori, lavora, lavoriamo, lavorate, lavorano. Cucinare, to cook. Cucino, cucini, cucina, cuciniamo, cucinate, cucinano. Camminare, to walk. Cammino, cammini, cammina, camminiamo, camminate, camminano. The last verb. Imparare, to learn. Imparo, impari, impara, impariamo, imparate, imparano. Ok? A presto! Ciao!